Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be making a DIY scratchboard, simple easy. What you'll need is a glue stick, some pens or a dry erase marker, and that's it. So I just put a little bit highlighter. I didn't mention this in the materials, but you need a highlighter too, or a colored pencil. So I'm just going to color this in. And now you just have to put it on with glue, and then you just have to layer it up with the glue, and then you have to wait until the glue dries up. Lol, okay. Well, I didn't mention this, but you can also do it with colored pencil. So I did it with colored pencil. I'll show you an example of my other ones. And they look close to the same thing, so yeah. And then I'm just going to get my stuff. Okay, so now just open your pen and write. If you're using a pen that doesn't work, or you're using a pencil that you can't see working. And as you can see, it actually works. So have fun making and drawing, and if you want it to last more longer, just add more dry erase marker on top of those writing and the dry erase marker, so then it could keep on going and you could write your stuff on every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!